children. So, in today's class, we are going to study about the two very important components, air and water. You can feel the air all around yourselves, and you see the water. Air cannot be seen, we all know this, but you can feel its effects, right? आप सबको अपने आसपास दो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स दिखाई देते हैं जिनकी वजह से शायद हमारी लाइफ का जो सर्वाइवल है वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. एक एयर और दूसरा वाटर. एयर इज अ ग्रेट नेचुरल रिसोर्स which is essential for the survival of all living organisms because we breathe in this air. We breathe in the oxygen which is present in this air. You can live for 5 weeks without food or 5 days without water, but hardly even for 5 minutes not without breathing. So you can very well understand the importance of air. The atmosphere, the layer of the air that surrounds the earth and is all around us is called the atmosphere. So children, जो एयर की लेयर हमारे आसपास हमेशा रहती है, अर्थ एंड अर्थ के आसपास हमेशा रहती है, उसको एटमॉस्फेयर कहते हैं. ये एटमॉस्फेयर एक प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग बनाता है, हमें बहुत सारी हार्मफुल रेज से प्रोटेक्ट करता है एंड इसकी जो डिफरेंट लेयर्स होती हैं वो बहुत यूजफुल होती हैं in some or other work. As we all know that we cannot see the air, but we can feel its presence when the leaves of a tree rustle or when a boat sails in water. When you ride a bicycle, you can feel the air against your face. The atmosphere changes as we go higher up. When we go to the mountainous regions, when we visit any hill station, the amount of oxygen present over there keeps on reducing. And this is because the effect of gravity becomes weaker and weaker when you go to higher altitudes. जब आप कैंपिंग करने माउंटेन्स पे जाते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा कि यूजुअली जो माउंटेनियर्स होते हैं दे कैरी दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर विद देम. रीजन बीइंग, जब वो हायर ऑल्टीट्यूड्स पे जाते हैं वहाँ पे अर्थ की ग्रेविटी का एटमॉस्फेयर को होल्ड करना थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है. एज अ रिजल्ट वहाँ पे अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन भी कम हो जाता है. सो दीज पीपल they need to carry these oxygen cylinders with them. Otherwise, इन लोगों को हाइपोक्सिया हो सकता है, which is the deficiency of oxygen in the body. Right? And as a result, ये लोग unconscious हो सकते हैं and और बहुत सारी major problems face कर सकते हैं. Right? So we now know that air is very important. It is actually one of the mediums as well. हम अगर एक दूसरे की बात सुन पा रहे हैं तो वो एयर की वजह से ही है, क्योंकि जो साउंड होता है उसको ट्रैवल करने के लिए एयर जैसा एक मीडियम चाहिए. राइट? एंड दैट्स द रीज़न जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स जाते हैं स्पेस में उनका सर्वाइवल वहाँ पे इतना इजी नहीं होता है. एक तो वो एक दूसरे की आवाज़ सुन नहीं पाते हैं एंड सेकेंडली the amount of oxygen decreases over there. Therefore, it's not very easy for them to survive. Now, children, we are going to study about the layers of atmosphere. Beginning from the first one, near to the Earth's surface, as you all can see in this diagram, is the troposphere. It is just above the Earth's surface and it extends up to a height of 15 kilometers. It is the layer actually in which we live. Winds they blow, clouds they build up, and weather changes they take place in this particular layer only. Moving higher, the next layer is stratosphere that lies above the troposphere, and it is about 35 kilometers thick. Clear, cloudless layer where the stars they shine perfectly. Usually are jet planes, they fly in this layer. In the upper part of this layer towards here, as you can see in this diagram, there is a special kind of a layer which is known as ozone layer. This ozone layer keeps us protected from the harmful ultraviolet radiations that are coming from the sun. Right? It acts as a huge shield and protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Moving a bit higher is the ionosphere. As the name suggests, ionos. This layer is made up of ions and it has various charged particles in it. So thundering and lightning, they can take place over here. Radio stations, they get their signals from this layer. Exosphere is the layer above the ionosphere, which is very thin and it has very little layer in it. Beyond this space, there is no air in the space. Right? So children, हमने पढ़ा कि सबसे पहली जो अर्थ के पास की लेयर होती है वो ट्रोपोस्फियर होती है, जिस लेयर में बेसिकली हम रहते हैं और सरवाइव करते हैं. उसके बाद आती है आपकी स्ट्रेटोस्फियर. ये वो लेयर होती है जहाँ पे हमारे जेट प्लेन्स फ्लाई कर सकते हैं और इसकी बिल्कुल अपर साइड पे एक प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर होती है जिसको हम ओजोन लेयर कहते हैं, जो हमें प्रोटेक्ट करके रखती है सन की हार्मफुल अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन से. उसके बाद आती है एक चार्ज्ड पार्टिकल्स की लेयर जिसको हम आयनोस्फीयर कहते हैं. ये आयनोस्फीयर बहुत सारे रेडियो सिग्नल्स को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह में ट्रैवल करने में हेल्प करती है. एंड देन कम्स द एक्सोस्फीयर, which is the last layer of the atmosphere. Now children, we have already studied about the different layers. It's the time to have a look on the importance of atmosphere. As we have already studied that atmosphere contains various different kinds of gases and oxygen is one of the most important gas which is required for breathing. Carbon dioxide is required by the plants for making food. The atmosphere prevents the earth from getting overheated by absorbing a large part of the heat from the sun. So children, atmosphere here as well plays a very important role by trapping the sun's heat. It does not allow the entire heat of the sun to reach our earth. Otherwise, our earth will get overheated. It also prevents the earth from getting too cold during the night by retaining the sun's heat. And the third point we have already studied. The ozone layer absorbs most of the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun that cause skin cancer and eye problems in human beings. Meteors are the small masses of matter from outer space. The atmosphere therefore protects us from big meteors which can cause the great damage if they hit the earth's surface. अगर ये meteors या meteorites डायरेक्टली अर्थ के सरफेस में एंटर कर जाएंगे तो ये हमारे अर्थ के सरफेस को बहुत हार्म पहुंचा सकते हैं. एज अ रिजल्ट हम बोलते हैं कि ये जितने भी मीटियोर्स हैं ये आउटर एटमॉस्फेयर में ही बर्न हो जाते हैं. एंड हियर अगेन एटमॉस्फेयर प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, वेरी क्रूशियल रोल in our life. So children, I hope the topic till here is clear to you. Kindly read the chapter and try to mark few definitions and difficult words on your own. Till we meet the next time. Till then, take care. and goodbye.